Hello there, glad you could join us today. My name's Bob Ross.
And I'm Ross Bob. I'm a registered...
We're gonna end that sentence right there.
I was going to say registered member of Bingo United.
Well, with how Hollywood stars are doing these days.
Moving on. Here we have our standard Microsoft Paint document, coated in a very thin sheet of liquid white.
We have also started by painting a small lithium atom adjacent to a slightly larger fluorine atom.
This is a perfect setup of an ionic bond. Ionic bonds are very strong and have high melting and boiling point.
I heard once that a liquid ionic bond could conduct electricity, but a solid one couldn't.
That helpful feller was correct. Now the exact pretenses of an ionic bond start when the larger ion starts to circle in the smaller ion's valence electrons, stealing it.
Oh, well. All right. I think we can clear the board, maybe clean our brush.
Yep. All right. Now, that's pretty good. Now, moving on to covalent bonds.
Oh, I'd like to take charge of this one. Now, here we're just going to go into a little bit of the phthalo blue. Draw ourselves a little oxygen atom. Let's do that. And
that sounds good to me.
Surrounding the oxygen atom, with its 6 valence electrons, we're going to draw ourselves 2 hydrogen atoms. Now, you may be recognizing this little molecule already, because we have to drink it every day. 8 glasses, 8 ounces, 8 days a week. It's water.
Why, by golly, it is.
Yes, we're just going to dip into the cadmium,
Once again.
Yeah, give ourselves a little of that. Oh, looks like my compatriot Bob here is a computer expert.
Why, thank you.
All right, I'm going to clean my brush again.
Oh, my.
Now then, this ion is a happy little water molecule made up of 2 hydrogen atoms attached to 1 oxygen.
Yep.
See, unlike a ionic bond, and unlike me coughing a minute ago, they share the electrons.
Of course. Now, please, do forgive Bob for not drawing up to par. He isn't an artist or anything.
Oh, all right. Low blow. I can roll with it, though. We just have happy accidents here. For example, I'm going to happily and accidentally punch my compatriot Ross in the face.
Oh.
All right, moving on. A covalent bond isn't that strong compared to other bonds. As such, their melting and boiling points aren't that high either.
I heard that some covalent bonds could be described as salt, and as such have the descriptor of soluble.
While correct, you can tell the fellow who told you that not to learn everything on Wikipedia. It's not like you can just wiki bond descriptions mid-project.
Of course not. People would have to be right desperate in order to wiki bond descriptions right before recording.
Thank goodness we're not desperate.
We should take some time to thank the ever-loving God for Fritos. Buy 'em now, or live a life of sadness.
Hashtag unsponsored.
Now then, we're going to clear the board once again. Maybe dry the brush off a bit. Now, how do these bonds happen? Well, each element follows a trend along the periodic table. One trend is called electronegativity, which states how many valence electrons an atom has and how easy it is to take it, which can be described using the ice cream cone. Let's say we have...
I do love ice cream.
Yes, I can't name a single person who doesn't love it.
If you don't love ice cream, you are no longer considered a human being.
You have no soul.
All right, another trend is size. The further the valence electrons are away from the nucleus, the easier it is to forcibly grab them.
Yep. Now, we here like to use the snowman method for the size. It's kind of like the ice cream method, but literally the exact opposite.
Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit like the ice cream method, but, just the exact opposite.
Yep. Oh, yeah. how
Oh, we're going to stop that sentence right there again.
I was going to say how killfish.
What in the name of Fritos are you talking about? Never mind. I think it's time to end. We have ourselves a finished painting.
All right, from us to you at home, keep your paint on hand and your clothes unstained.
Oh, my dear biscuits.
Thank you all, and God bless, my friends.